Welcome to Football Invaders. CGHL. Amakhosi kunye neStellenbosch.
As you know that the Stellenbosch, they are our babies. The Stellenbosch, they are our victims. We beat them Nedbank. We beat them 3-1. We beat them 2-0. And then I'm excited that we are playing them first in a knockout. We're gonna beat them again. Here in the again.
Iteam ezinkulu ziyaphuma and iteam ezinkulu ezinye iteam zikhala ngocoach. Nihappy ngocoach?
Too much. Eh? We are happy that Napi is gone. All right. So we are gonna give a chance. We're gonna give confidence in these guys, assistants, the one they like carry, understand? So we're gonna give them the chance. But the moment you see that there's something here, the moment you see that they are no, and then yeah, because that match we played against Ikonen Arrows. That match was supposed to be ours. That match was supposed to own. We're supposed to win. That boy, I don't know why. He was supposed to. It's a goal. It's right. Ulambini nasala kupochonga. Nazi bola emnatheni akokhipha nako yena. But he has been good offside.
Before ubhutambe kule midlalo emithathu edluleyo niyasokola ufaka igoals ezingaphezulu kwe-1.
Yes.
Nifaka igoli ibe linye.
Yes.
Ndifuna uvuba i-confidence le ingaka unayo yoba niyawina namhlanje. What if iStellenbosch ifake 2 goals? Ezinye ii-goals nawuzithatha phi le?
History has proven itself. History has proven itself. Stellenbosch have never scored any goal against Kaizer Chiefs. They struggle when they are playing against Pirates. But when I play Kaizer Chiefs, no.
Okay.
Did I answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Number one.
Thank you. Burayam.
Elibhakaniya walengabaleki ndifuna elibhakaniya. Ndifuna elibhakaniya. Nizotshela ngo-10 minutes.
Yabona namhlanje ethi ngela mancamo yabona sengisuka eJoburg ngiza ngapha yabo. Angizange ngizodlala kusuka eJoburg siza ngapha. Sizovele solokuza vele soyidla. Stellenbosch Warriors namhla siyayidla vele na kanje. Noma idlala kahle siyayidla vele Stellenbosch. Vele yona is2 sishaya.
But it might be grand coaching like grand. Most fans are so happy coaching.
No, yes, policy siyandasinda ngendlela engafani yabo. Ucoach is not a problem. Coach right for me certain lami yabo. So inhlanhla yikho yibonile last game last game sayidlala le if fine umpamphana uyenzile ephutha yabo. But noma mina ngayenza le yaphutha le yenzile yabo. Bola ube uyistrike make sure ukuthi ibola lenzeni eshesinet. Awuleke isilambile so kusuka eJoburg kuza la akudlalwa baba
So score prediction
2-0
thank you
hayi angamacele ethu hayi Stellenbosch ngabantwana usually nje siyawina
iteam ezinkulu ziyaphuma ubonile izophumile Sundowns
performance being correct from the start.
Okay.
From the start it was never there. Now we are talking about that has started low, subpar. You understand? Last year the performance in Sundowns was very high. This year declined. And Tunisia win.
Okay, but last jonge Chiefs started inyani ibiqale phezulu nayo kwi-league ibiqale nge-wins but now idropile isezantsi kwi-league ngoku xa ujonga nenyuka anytime soon.
Of course ingxaki ngunabi andifuna uva unabi bethi nani makasinike ichance ahambe asimdingi uthi akafuni kaloku uthi akazohamba ufuna i-1 year yakhe iphele unabi makasinike ichance unabi sinike aba sibafunayo siyamfuna thina assistant and ever since assistant edlala hayi 3 games bedlala assistant coach siwine kakuhle gqithi
sisi lo coach anithetha ngayo nithi makahambe emva kwe9 years ningawuni nenye i-trophy ufike wanika i-trophy lo coach kwisizini elandelayo yeah beningawuni nabaNedbank for the past 9 years so lo coach animniki ne-chance yoba adlale ke mhlawumbi noba yikhalinga
unabi akade akhukhe okekhuka go to what you are cooking. You've been cooking but you are not going to where you are cooking. Cook, sit as win.
Okay, now masingene epaleni ngo abantu bafunayo kwi-players ngoba abantu
Oh, bethunana.
kaze nabo coach.
Masibayeke umthetho ndimthembile. Makamiyeke umthetho aqale. USerino abe phaa kwi-startup. Ayeke ofaka uSerino ekugqibeleni. Because uSerino ungena senomsindo ngoba yena wenza i-reserve which doesn't work for him. Makakhe abeke umoya torhana mabambeke ecaleni. Umoya unayo jealous kancinci. Makabeke ecaleni.
But imistake eyi-one.
Asinaxesha.
Lambili.
But usuka kwi-Sundowns enjeya so asinothi yi-mistake eyi-one unjeya umo wakhe sicela umbeke ecaleni umoya ngayi-reserve asinangxaki yena asimgxeki uba angabi player yethu siyamthanda uyadlala but makuqala uSerino.
Okay, so masiyivala ke score prediction. Cinga ubana ibetha
Hayi
ngabani?
2-0.
2-0.
Hayi siyayiphinda
Okay.
silapha
Because
besibabethe 2-0 yathi loo nalapha sithi 2-0 makhosi amahle.